Number 19. The length of a piece of yarn is 19 2/10 units. Jessie cuts the piece of yarn into 4 smaller pieces that were all the same length. Which expression represents the length of each smaller piece of yarn? Number 20. A definition of a financial term is shown in the box. A tax that includes Social Security and Medicare taxes and is paid by an employer. Which term best fits this definition? F. Payroll tax. G. Property tax. H. Sales tax. J. Gasoline tax. Number 21. A park bench is located 16 3/4 feet due north of an elm tree. A fountain is located 9.5 feet due south of the same elm tree. What is the distance in feet between the park bench and the fountain? Number 22. In a school auditorium, there are 33 seats in each row of seats. How many rows are needed for 528 students to use?